All right, guys. Tonight we're making meatloaf. Guys, into our bowl we got probably about 2 pounds of ground beef here. Then we're gonna go down with 1 pound of some pork sausage. All right, you might have to take out a loan for this next one, but we're going in with 2 eggs. About a half an onion. Then we're gonna hit this with some W sauce. All right, some panko breadcrumbs. A nice healthy dose of ketchup. And some Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. Ah, glove is backwards. Can you like take the camera with me and go to the smoker? All right, our smoker's going at 275. We're just gonna throw a probe in it and cook until it's 150. All right, our meatloaf's at 150. We're just gonna throw down a layer of ketchup on the top. All right, guys, our meatloaf is done. Guys, we got some meatloaf. Let's give it a try. Oh my god. This is gonna be great on a sandwich tomorrow.